friends, welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. Today we will cook Mexican rice and we will be using red beans. I like to use beans in any recipe because they are full of proteins and very delicious. So let's get to the recipe. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil on medium heat. Add 1 medium-sized onion that I chopped. 2 cloves of garlic. You can mince them or you can chop with knife. Stir until golden brown. Let's add some more vegetables. I'm adding 1 medium carrot that I diced and 1 medium red pepper. Also 1 medium green pepper. Colors are beautiful. And I continue cooking. Now it's time to add 1 cup of long grain rice. It's basmati rice. I washed them very well before using. Before adding boiling water, I'm toasting the rice. Here I have a spice mixture that I prepared: cumin, paprika, turmeric and black pepper. I'm adding all of them. I'm also adding half cup of tomato puree. If you cannot find tomato puree, you can also use fresh tomatoes. Make sure everything is well combined. Now finally it's time to add boiling water. In general, with long grain rice, the ratio is 1 to 2. But as we have already many vegetables in the pot, I'm only adding 1 cup. And 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add more or less to taste. Let's bring it to a simmer and make it low heat. You can cook 15 minutes or 20 minutes until water boils down. It looks cooked. It's already looking very delicious with all the vegetables, but it's not done yet. We will add 1 cup of cooked red beans. You can use canned red beans or you can boil yourself. Let's add our greens. I'm adding half cup of parsley and 5 to 6 leaves of fresh mint. If you cannot find fresh mint, you can also use dried mint. Make sure you combine everything well together. Now our rice is ready. It's time to taste it. It's a bit spicy and it's very delicious. I think this can be a side dish or this can be a main meal on its own. I'm sure you will like it. You must try. Thank you for watching this recipe. Don't forget to send your likes and comments and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!